This video will demonstrate how D2L email works. What is D2L email? D2L email is your online course email account. This email account allows you to communicate with your teacher and fellow students directly from your Brightspace by D2L course. Use your D2L email account for in-course correspondence. The easiest way to correspond with your teacher and fellow classmates is directly from your D2L course. So from inside your course, click on Class List. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to email our teacher. So I'm looking through my class list until I see the teacher. Click on the name of the teacher and the email will open up for you. Give your email a subject, include a greeting and a brief description of what you need help with or clarify. Be sure to sign your email. Then you could also add attachments. So if there's something that you wanted to refer to, you could upload it. If you feel more comfortable providing an audio or video message with your email, you may do so directly from here. And if you wanted to upload something from the course to ask a question about, you could do that as well. Once you're finished, proofread your email and then click send. If you needed to correspond with another student, you would just click on their name from the class list. When you enter your course, you'll notice that you have a mini bar above our main navigation bar here. If there is an alert, orange bubble over any of these icons, that means there's something to look at. So let's look at this, the email program. Click on email, and you'll see this is where you're going to be working at looking at your email. To read the email, click on it, and then you can look at it. If you need to respond, you may do so by clicking on reply. So that's an overview of your D2L email. Remember that it works best if you want to correspond with people in your class that you're in your course space when you start using the email program.